Hello, respected teachers, dear students. Today we will discuss how to uninstall the Zoom app, which is not authorized to use by the Ministry of Home Affairs of Government of India. Therefore, it is our responsibility that we have to delete or uninstall after washing up all kinds of the information which we have entered earlier. You see Zoom, then you have to see its settings, and then these are the basic contact and other matter which is recorded by us. These are contacts, no contact is there, detail of the meetings, meet and chat. We have to delete one by one. Delete conversation, and again this is your personal space, therefore it is asking something. Clear chat history, or if any kind of the message you have, no. Files if you have shared, no. Images if you have shared, no. If such kind of the information are being available, or you have recorded, that all type of the information must be deleted first. If you see another option, in case of this app, go to the meeting option and delete it all by pressing it simply. Delete meeting, yes. Another one is delete meeting, yes. Another one is this is no start meeting, that is personal meeting, you can say. Another, if you can see, delete meeting. The other ID was also given. If it is not giving the deleted meeting option, then you have to go to your other options, and now you can see edit all parts or the enable see all automatically, record local computer, etc, etc. That should not be saved, and you have to delete each and every information. Here one option is given. If you see add to calendar, you have to check these are given in the calendar or the space. If the calendar is there, see your calendar. If in the calendar any kind of the meeting is given through Zoom app in the 24th of this, no. Then 25th, no. You can check it. These are not the Zoom meeting, these are your Google Classroom meetings. Therefore come here and you have to delete it by clicking on it, so that it will diminish each and everything. Or finish cloud permission, you can check what you have made the settings. Data usage, storage is there, clear the data, clear all data, including file setting, counts, database, etc. Now, data uses, if any kind of the point is available here, you can see, you can clear it. Okay, mobile data, Wi-Fi data, background data 00 it is given, and then you can see before that clear all data, if any kind of the information or the password or ID etc, and then you have to press uninstall, and that is the complete process to remove all data and to clear all data and to delete all kind of the file, report, meeting details which were added by